Next is the nursing care conference, how it is planned. It's same as bedside clinic, but patient usually not present. This method may be used when the whole group well acquainted with the patient and the group have nothing to do for the patient. Group members must have opportunity to know the patient, read patient history, progress notes, nurses notes and laboratory findings and the treatment of the diseases. Group conference definition: it is a method of clinical teaching. Group of students and clinical instructor need for the discussion of patient's problem. Group should not be more than 10 to 12 students. Each student can get a chance of participation. Role of the clinical instructor: act as a leader. She must be sensitive. She need to have patience and should not answer the questions too quickly but wait for students to answer. Able to guide the students, correct wrong interpretations and should be given time to complete the sentence. Subject for group conference: orientation of new students to the department, nursing care needs of a particular patient or group of patients, conference on nursing procedures, records, report writing, intake and output charting, etc., discussion of drugs, diets, treatments, nursing projects and field trips, hospital housekeeping, hospital routine, etc. Values of group conference: most profitable method of clinical teaching. It encourages active participation of each group members. Group thinking and discussion awakens interest and appreciation. Individual conference is an interaction between the teacher and the learner. It can be planned and unplanned. Such conferences are held in ward with the student, clinical instructor and ward sister. Subject matter related to students' nursing ability, quality of work performance, related to students' achievements, test results written or practical. Role of clinical instructor: listen to students' problems, difficulties regarding clinical experience, give the chance to student to express her feelings, effective and useful guidance to the students based on her difficulties, always respect the student as an individual, be friendly and informal, place should be free of. Values of individual conference: it offers useful opportunities for teaching and learning. Student and instructor discusses particular problems. Student can know about the progress, etc. Provides a sense of security. Excellent opportunity for an individual learning.